Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. Today we're going to learn how to move sections up or down on the Wix Studio Editor. Unlike in the classic editor, where you'll see up and down buttons to move your sections, in Wix Studio you'll have to do that in the Layers panel. So go to the Layers panel here on the left. Look for the section that you want to move up or down, and just simply drag and drop it like that. You can also select it and click the three dot button next to it. And here on the right click menu, you'll see options to move it down or move it up. And there you have it. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.